How to log out of your account on TrainerRoad. There are two ways to log out of your account on TrainerRoad. First being from the app itself. You want to open the TrainerRoad application. And inside the application, you want to simply type it out your username and password to log in into your account first. And once you're inside your account, you want to simply go to your profile dashboard and you should be able to see and log out option on the profile dashboard. However, there is a much quicker way to log out as well. Simply tap and simply close the application first. After that, you want to simply tap and hold on to the application. After that, you want to simply navigate yourself to the TrainerRoad app, tap and hold on to the application and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be removing all the user's data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.